Today, I want to share with you the Ethereum smart contract bot I recently developed that can help you make decent amounts of money within a short time. The Ethereum smart contract bot allows you to automatically trade a given token over the smart chain network without having to go through the typical transactional methods. It allows you a quicker entry due to less overhead when making a trade. It only needs a contract address, and it'll automatically make the purchase of the token without any delays as they directly interact with the router, allowing for a much more efficient entry that helps you generate around 30% plus of profit every day. To start off, make sure you have MetaMask installed and connected to the Ethereum mainnet. It's about halfway there. Then head over to remix.ethereum.org. This is where we're going to be building our contract. Let's go to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. We're going to name it bot. Next, copy the code I have here into our bot.sol file that we've just created. You can get this code by clicking the paste bin link, which can be found in the description of this video. A few things to look out for are lines 50 and 51. If you follow those addresses on Etherscan, you'll see that these are the addresses of the wrapped Ether token. We'll be competing with those. Now that we have our bot.sol file ready, let's compile it. To do so, go to the Solidarity Compiler tab. On the left, there are a column of symbols. Make sure that the compiler version is set to 0.6.6. Click on the Compile bot.sol button and wait for the file to compile. So now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Go over to Deploy and Run Transactions in Remix. Set the environment to Injected Web3. Make sure that your wallet is connected to Remix. This light should turn green. That shows that you're connected, and now it should let us deploy this. And now we have the deployment utility right here, which is a little drop down. I clicked cancel. Let's try again. Click confirm. And again, confirm here. Here we go. I'm going to confirm that. Confirmation right there at the bottom. Okay, the contract was deployed. Here at the deployment utility, you can see some information like actual token name, token symbol, etc. We click copy and copy the contract address and then paste it in Etherscan. So the next step in the process is just funding your contract. Let's go to our wallet. It took me around $280 of gas here. It's the commission of Ethereum network for a contract deployment. So I'm going to send funds to that contract that we just created. Make sure you got the right address in there. I will do 0.63. Confirm here. Once we interact with the contract, then just add liquidity within Uniswap. So let's give it a moment. There we go. The transaction was confirmed, so it was sent to the contract. So let's go to Etherscan to make sure that the contract was funded. Yeah, the contract has 0.63 Ethereum in its balance. So let's see tomorrow what I have to do here. And let's check what's the profit bot made for me. So I have 0.856 Ethereum, which is clearly around 30%. This is exactly the results I expected, but you could start with a larger amount if you want to get higher profit. I can withdraw my profit after 24 hours after the bot runtime, but I'll wait another 24 hours. See you tomorrow. Let's see what we have here. It's 1.139 Ether. Okay, not bad. I'll go back to work. See you tomorrow. So it's been 3 days since the bot started. Let's check what we have here. It's about 1.47 Ether. So we made around $3,500 in 3 days. It took me about a day on average to gain my deposit by 1/3. Now I'm going to take the profit from the contract to my wallet. Click Action, confirm here. It usually takes about 5 minutes for the transaction to be confirmed and complete our withdrawal. Yeah, we have confirmation right here. Let's go check our wallet. What do I have there? Yeah, you can see my balance here. It's 1.53 Ethereum. If you have any questions, make sure to check my text article. If you still have questions, you can get me in Discord or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to follow so that you'll stay updated.